Hi there, Cozy, welcome back. Today I'm gonna another tutorial on teddy bear. So to make our teddy we'll need is 3 kinds of fabrics and much more polyfill than you were watching in the video. Next we're gonna prepare black buttons for Teddy's eyes and brown buttons for jointing, and then a very long needle. Lastly, we are gonna need is some felt for Teddy's nose. So after you have your materials, we'll get started. The next thing we are gonna do is click the link below in description box and print it. From now on, pause your video and count how many of each patterns you have to trace. To get Teddy's ears and body part, put them right sides together. So now stitch along the lines. Next, what you want to do is clip the seams because this is gonna make them easier when you turn them right sides out. Our next step is put them right sides together and stick some pins. Now stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Now you want to clip the seams and turn it right side out. It's time to stuff in theirs. Next, we are gonna do running stitch. When you have that sewed all the way around, you want to pull it and create a knot. Next, what you want to do is stuff in Teddy's body part. As you can see, I've got Teddy's ears and body part. The next one that I'm gonna show you is attach our Teddy's forehead and side head. So now stick some pins. Now stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Next, what you want to do is do the same thing with the opposite side. Turn it right side out. Next, we're gonna do is put the back halves right sides together and stitch along the line. After turn it, put them right sides together and stick some pins. Now stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Turn it right side out. And stuff in there, you know. I have finished making Teddy's face. It's time to make our Teddy's arms and legs. So now put them right sides together. The next thing we are gonna do is stitch along the lines except the openings. Our next step is attach the sole with the legs. So you want to stick some pins all the way around. Now stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. If you finished sewing with the soles and legs, maybe clip the seams because we are gonna turn them right sides out. In this step, we just need to stuff in theirs. Next, you want to close the openings with leather stitch, Our next step is attach our Teddy's ears on the head. So now put the ear on the head. Next, we're gonna stick some pins. Our next step is leather stitch. Line up the stitch lines. Next, you want to put the body part and the head, and then stick some pins. Now let us stitch. When we are gonna attach Teddy's arms and legs, we can use jointing. So now mark a little dots on the arms. And the body. Next, we just need to have very long needle and thick threads. So now go through the surface of the arm and go down through that area where the dot. And then go ahead, insert this brown button. Next, what you want to do is go through the arm again and go to the body. Now take the opposite arm. So now you want to do the same thing with it. Next, we are gonna pull it really tight, and you want to do this 3 or 4 times and then create a knot. You can attach the legs in the same way. Our next step is take and put the black buttons and stick some pins to fix it. And you want to make a nose shape with your felt. Hey guys, why don't you tell your kids a story with Brown Bear tonight? Bye for now and happy bedtime with your kids.